Colons. This video will help you use colons accurately in your writing. A colon is a quotation mark used before a list of items, a quotation, or an explanation or description. Colons appear not only in written sentences but in maths too. For example, they separate hours from minutes when writing the time. It was 10:28 a.m. Or to express a ratio between two numbers. The ratio of flour to sugar is 2:1. Candidates must use accurate spelling and punctuation, and this will get you marks in Assessment Objective 6. There are 3 ways to use a colon. These are to introduce a list, before a quotation or sometimes before direct speech, or before further explaining, describing or emphasizing something previously mentioned in the sentence. Colons can be used to introduce a list when the items are not part of the flow of the sentence. For example, the price includes the following: flights, accommodation, and the cost of meals. Or, the job calls for skills in the following areas: editing, writing, and managing. Here, the colons are used to introduce a list that has broken the flow of the sentence. Remember, you should not use a colon if the list flows in the sentence. For example, the price includes flights, accommodation, and the cost of meals. This does not need a colon as the list flows in the sentence. Colons can be used to introduce quotations. The witches agree on a place to meet next, upon the heath. Here, the colon introduces the quote in a sophisticated way. Colons can be used when adding information, explaining, emphasizing, or describing something previously mentioned in the sentence. The colon shows that the second statement follows on from the first by separating and highlighting it. She felt there was something missing, something important. The colon separates the additional information, something important, and emphasizes its importance in the sentence. The jury finally reached a verdict: guilty. The colon here emphasizes the importance of the final word in this sentence. It was more than a job to him, it was his life. The colon shows that more information is being added about his job. In summary, a colon can be used before a list, a quotation, or an explanation or description. And remember, you do not need a colon if the list flows in the sentence. And if the first part of the sentence does not closely relate to the second, then do not use a colon to join them.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Check out more of our content and remember to subscribe to our channel.